Hey y'all, Randy and Tina coming back at you, and today you're not going to believe what happened. We were driving down the road and there was this pile of stuff on the side of the road, and Tina here says stop. So I did, and you're not going to believe what we were able to find. Now this is not something we normally do, and I'm not recommending that anybody go out and go through somebody's trash that they're throwing away, but we could tell that there was some good items in it, and so we're going to just go through and see those items. And no, I didn't film it. I didn't even think about filming it. We were on the side of the road. We were out in the middle of traffic. I was pulled over, and we were just trying to grab stuff as fast as we could. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. This stuff, you ain't going to believe this stuff here. Let me turn the camera around. So this is the stuff that we were able to pick up from there. So let's just start with some simple stuff here. I don't know what this thing is, but it looks like it would
wine or something.
Wine maybe or something. I think it is probably wine. I guess that is for wine. So there's one thing. This was just sitting in the trash pile. It's a it's brand new, it appears. I don't know, I'd have to open it up. It's got a lot of dirt on the packaging, but I don't know. Foot warm these booties. We found this right here. I don't know if it works or not. You can see it's got stains all over it, marks on it, but I got this just in case. This might be the Teletubby that says the bad words. I don't know. We were able to find these shoes here. These are lugs shoes. Now they do have some damage on them. Okay, so I'm hoping I can get that out. They are dirty just dirty. They're nasty. But, you know, that stuff will clean up. This one here is kind of folded in a little bit. But look at the soles on the bottom of them. I mean, they look really, really good. And so as long as I can get these little dents out of them, they should be okay. Tina found these. It's 4 little plates, some kind of plates. Don't really say what they are. Maverick. Okay, so they're Mavericks. Some kind of little Maverick plate. Oh, look, this, I didn't even realize that. Oh, look at this. They still got the tags on them. Serving trays, okay.
Mainstays,
serving trays. How many of them have the tags on them? That one, that one doesn't, and that one does. So three of the 4 have the tags still on them. Well, we'll have to look that up. This right here, I couldn't believe this right here. It had some dirt on it, and I wiped it off on my shirt. But this is a Smith & Wesson limited edition. Still in the case. Doesn't look like it's ever even been used. And it was just laying in a box. There was a box full of, what do you call those things? VHS tapes? Yeah. And you wanted to get the VHS tapes. I said, no, we probably should have got them. But, yeah, that right there, that's a real good find there. We got this Homedics foot massager. I think, boy, it's dirty on the inside too. I mean, it's nasty. Look at that. But it should clean up, and if it works, it's got water in it because it had just rained. But if it works, then this has got the heated, I think this one's got the heated strips in it, I believe. I believe that's what that is down there. I don't know for sure. But anyway, that should do pretty good. Look at these right here. Now, this one's broke. I got to figure out how to put that back together. But this is a Smart Track. I mean, it's dirty. It's dirty as all get out, but it has the little, oh my goodness, look at all the dirt in there. There's a boatload of dirt in there. But this has a handle on it too, and we had to take the handle off, and I think that's what that clip's for. I'm pretty sure it holds it in there. And so it's made for a kid to be able to tricycle around, or you can put the handle on it. If I can get the handle in there and push them. So that's pretty cool. As long as I can fix it, that is. This was also with it. This is a who knows what this is. It says it right there. Radio flyer. Okay, so this is a radio flyer. It too is nasty and dirty. But anyway, that should, oh, that folds down too. Okay, so that folds down, so that'll make it easy to ship. And this one here, I bet, unscrews. And this is a Power Rangers. Oh my goodness, this is a Power Rangers. It has the brake on it. So yeah, so that's absolutely incredible. So I know this is a short video, but I just wanted to show you. Let me turn back around here. I just wanted to show you what we were able to find on the side of the road. Now again, I'm not suggesting that anybody go to the side of the road and start picking through somebody's trash. I'm not suggesting that at all. But if you ever see something on the side of the road that looks promising, you should always stop and get it. And because you never know, all this stuff was free. So even if we can only get $10 for it, that's just that's good profit. But anyway, that's just wanted to show you that and what we were able to come up with. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. We try to put out 2 videos a week, every Thursday and Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern. So be sure to check us out, subscribe, and hit that share and like button. Until next time, see you on the flip side.